Now we are at Starbucks and I think we are going to do some grocery shopping and then I will take a picture. Then probably gonna be a little bit of apartment shopping because we are moving very soon. So I am super excited about that. By the way, the lighting is very weird right now. So yep. And I'm here with Robert today. We finished taking pictures, so yeah, now we are heading to grocery shopping and then yeah, I will see what else we are going to do. I kind of want to go to some apartment shopping. We're in the table section. We are looking for some table. Dining section, we got this table. We have to see if we have it. Dining table is available, so I am so happy about that. We need that. Yeah. Now we are looking for some kitchen tools, so let's see. We got this one. We're at Target right now. We need to buy some trash can as well because we don't have that. We are looking for some sweep mop and all the cleaner stuff. So
So if you put that one here, how this supposed to be? You tell me.
like this?
Yep.
Today is the moving day. I am so excited about that. Basically today we are going to bring our bed stuff and kitchens and bathroom and some boxes. I think one trip should be enough. I am so excited to unpack there and show you guys what I basically got because I know I got a lot of stuff. As you guys probably see, I went to shopping so many times, it's like it's take forever to do that. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Basically they are very essential right now that we need. Now I'm waiting for Robert and his friends to bring the van and bring all the big stuff. I think it's gonna be more fun to film the video there because I can do whatever I want wherever I go, and I am so excited to film the video there. Okay, I will go to pack my stuff and I will catch up with you guys very soon. Bye. So I have to drive this car because Robert and his friends has to drive the van. So I will see you guys there then. Update guys, here is what I have. Oh my god, so many stuff. I didn't expect that it's gonna be a lot today, but actually it's full 2 cars and yeah, we made it. Yay! Let's do the unpacking for the food and then we are going to continue something else. And let me show you guys here. I have a lot of food stuff like dry food, noodles, everything in here. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Bed Bath & Beyond because I went there last week and we got a lot of kitchen supplies, which is very essentials of these essentials. So what we got is small dish rack. We need this to dry the press. So here we got this. We got these 2 pans in very good deal because it was like the sale for the end of the year or something like that. We got it about 30 bucks for these 2 of them, which I think that is pretty good deal for this brand. So we are so excited to use this. Next we have utensil, and we got the tea kettle right here, and we got the toaster too. I ordered this a couple weeks ago from Amazon and I got a lot of kitchen tools, and they come with like 28 pieces, so I'm so excited to use it. I'm not sure if the quality is gonna be great, but at least like I got all of them here. I will tell you guys if it works or if it doesn't, but yeah, I am so excited to try this. Next we got the pot, like a big salad pot from Marshall. Guys, if you don't know where to go, just go to Marshall, go to Ross. There are a lot of affordable pots, silverwares, everything, and I got this from Marshall for $29.99. This is what I got so far. I am still having a lot to show you guys, but yeah, here is basically some kind of kitchen things. Here is also what I got yesterday from Ross. I just went very quick because we know that we need some stuff for the bathroom, and here is what I got. Good morning guys, I just woke up and washed my face, and now I think I'm going to do some breakfast and then I'm going to continue unpacking because it's almost done. Actually, it's not that much. I will show you guys. Basically, we have those things left that we have to unpack, but some of the boxes are for the dates, which we are going to wait for new dates, and all my clothes stuff that I have to make a haul. So that is pretty much it. Actually, we did it pretty good yesterday because we got a lot of things done yesterday. I'm pretty sure I'm going to clean or do something else, but also like just want to let you guys know. It is 4:50 right now, and we decided to go to furniture shopping because we are looking for some sofa. So I hope that we can find some sofa that we like for the living room, and yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. So we found out that sofa we like was available, so we got it right on that day. Here's us trying to install the sofa, and here we go. Update guys, today is another day and it is 5 p.m. already. We decided to go to pick up our coffee table and the shoes rack because I ordered it from yesterday. We have to go to IKEA today, so I will see you guys.
Coffee table, whatever this is, white box, and the cup. Oh no, this no. Not the cup.
Hey guys, today is January 1st and Happy New Year 2021. Wishing this year the best for all of you guys. And yeah, basically here is how I set my living room so far. We are pretty much happy about that. Here's how it looks so far. I will show you guys how it looks right now. So here is how it looks so far. I love it. It's look very cute and very minimal. We got this side table from IKEA as well as this coffee table, which I really like it. It is pretty modern looking. I am pretty happy about that. This area rack, I really like it. I got this from Amazon and I love the style. Everything look very clean and neat. I love that. And here is how it look in the dining room right now. I really like it. This is one of my favorite position. Like, I love to sit there working on my computer. As you can see, I have the computer right there. Here is the bathroom. I really like it. It's me. I really like the size of this vanity because it's pretty huge. You can put a lot of stuff, and also there are so many rooms, and this small shower room is pretty tiny, but I think it is pretty nice. I really like how they separate the place, like this area and this area. And yeah, basically that is the bathroom. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want me to do the room tour, comment down below. I would do it when everything done. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.